Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to get a specific city weather like this in React.js by using this OpenWeatherMap API. Here this is temperature of this city whichever you added in the input field, and this is the weather name, and humidity is 80. Yeah, let's start. First, if we want to use this API, we need to sign into this account and create a API key. Okay, for my case I already created an account. I just sign in. After sign in or a sign up, you just click on this API key. Here you can generate API key with specific name. My credit limit is exceed today. If I use this one, it won't work, so that I'm going to use this default one. Here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project. So here I'm going to create a const and API key, and I'm going to create one form. Sorry for this mistakes. I'm using new keyboard. That's the reason. Name city, placeholder also city. After that, I'm going to create one button. Its name is or get. Okay, and here I'm going to create a on submit. Handle submit. Just copy this, and after that I'm going to create one arrow function. I'm going to get an event here. Here e dot prevent default and fetch. In fetch, you need to use this URL, and I need to use tilde symbol because I'm going to use this variable inside this URL, so that here I get value city in this event, and we already defined a API key. Okay, and I'm going to add a then method rest.json dot then data. Here I'm going to console data. Okay, first I save this, go to browser, inspect, clear everything, click on add a city and click on get. Here see, we will get a response from this weather API. See this, these are all values. This is clouds, and inside this you will get temperature and humidity, everything. And you see inside this weather, in 0th index you will see the name of this weather. Okay, I just set this data in one state. So const data set data use state, and initially it is empty. Copy this and passing this data. Okay, copy this. After this, if we get a value, we need to display this div. Here I'm going to create h1 tag, and this is, here I'm going to display the temperature. I think it is inside this main. So data dot that value dot this temp, and close that, and this would be temp. Okay, save this first. Sorry, and at the end we need to add a empty string. Now if I choose Bangalore, if I click get, see temperature is showing, and based on that I'm going to display the name and humidity. Okay, copy this and paste it here. and one more is present inside this weather, where it is. And description. See, this is name sheet, and this is humidity. Now everything is showing. Why this description? Oh, we need to, it is present inside this 0th index, so we need to add that. Yep, now everything is showing. You can use whichever the value you want, and if I refresh and if I choose Chennai, click on get this, see this value is showing. This parameter is giving a Celsius. If I remove this and if I click on get, see this 299 is a original temperature. If you add this, you will get a Celsius value, exact temperature. Okay, yep, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.